Today we got a video from Bodycam K9 and the title of the video is Moments Before He Sent a State Trooper to the Hospital.
On January 17th, 2026, state troopers noticed a rental vehicle driving without brake lights. Things took a dangerous turn when troopers noticed he was hiding something.
What's that on his hood?
What about Hurley? Chat GPT. Chat GPT. Thanks. Will you just put your hands on top of the steering wheel for me? You put your hands on top of the steering wheel for me? Thank you, sir. Just on the steering wheel is fine. Thanks. Good evening. You just put your hands on top of the steering wheel for me? Put your hands on top of the steering wheel for me. Thank you, sir. Just on the steering wheel. I'm stopping you?
No, hell no.
Is this your rental, my man?
No, this her mama rental.
No, okay. That makes sense.
Why's your feet up?
No, this her mama rental. We just.
No, okay.
I don't want you to like get hit and break your legs.
You got your brake lights going on, my man.
Oh, damn, that'd be right.
All right. You got your driver's license on you?
It's good, guy.
What's up, dude?
I just gave him
You got no license on you?
No, I got my permit, though.
Why you driving? You ain't got no
I
license.
got a permit.
Man?
I got a permit.
You got a permit?
You got
That explains why you don't know how to operate the car. The taillights are out.
Bro,
You ain't fully licensed yet. That's why.
Man, you just talking shit to me, bro. I know you, man.
Do I?
You want to talk shit to me.
Yeah. Okay.
But no, yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I just put out the driver.
Yeah.
I forgot to flip.
Where's your ID or your permit on you, bro?
I ain't got my ID.
You on probation, parole, anything?
No,
You on probation, parole? All right. Anything in the car need no ball? You got probably search the vehicle?
Going on 1716 DuPont Street.
Huh?
Let me guess. They smell the odor of marijuana. Let me guess.
I ain't gonna lie. You can search, but I ain't gonna lie. You can search it. Yeah, just get this out.
It's not making no sense.
I ain't gonna lie, you can search. Cause no, I can tell by how you looking at me and how by you looking at me, y'all thinking some shit in this. You feel?
Well, when you're like, yeah,
Because
no,
at first,
yeah, no.
because it's like I really don't want to give you consent because I got my permit. But then again, it's really like shit.
How about this, man? Just because
I don't give you consent to search the car.
okay, well, you don't got your permit on you, okay? So I am gonna have you exit the vehicle, okay? Any weapons on you? Okay, so listen to me, man. I do this with everybody, okay? You step out the car, just keep your hands up where I can see them, okay? Don't be reaching in your pockets or
No,
nothing.
yeah, I got a little bit of money and shit.
All right, well, get your hands out your pockets, okay? Take your hands out your pockets.
No, you straight, bro.
Are you goofy, man?
No, I'm saying, why is you? I'm just saying, bro. He tripping at me.
Get your hands out of your pockets.
Get your hands out your get your hands out of your pocket. Get your hands.
I'm saying, bro.
See, and this is how motherfuckers get sent to the afterlife. And now you putting your girl in danger too, man. Cause she right there, you reaching and you don't want to get your hand out of your pocket. That's sus, man. That's sus. This is how you get sent up there, man. Them motherfuckers won't be protesting. Oh my God, my kid he was on a roll, such a good kid, had a bright future, yada, yada. Man, yo, this is how you get sent up there. You're going to be knocking on them heaven gates. You're going to be knocking. Do. I know I fucked up on earth, man. The cop told me to get my hands out my pockets, but I was just hard-headed, man. I fucked up. Can I come to heaven, man? Can I come to heaven? I'm good now. I think I learned my lesson. I fucked up on earth, but I'm not gonna fuck up in here, man. Then they just gonna send you down there to hell, man. To burn into eternity, man. This is what I'm saying. Then they gonna be on the news. Oh, he was such a good kid. He wanted to be a police officer. Okay. All right.
Get your hands out of your pocket, bro.
Pocket.
Get your hands.
I'm saying,
See?
bro,
Get your hands out of your pocket, bro.
Putting your girl in danger.
Get your hand out of your pocket.
Pocket, bro. Get your hand.
Get your hand out of your pocket.
Get your hands out of your pocket, bro. Get your hand. You step out of the car, bro.
Hand out of your pocket.
Ooh. Who the hell is that? Oh, this must be he a trainee or something?
Car took off, southbound Grand Traverse, white. Yes, right in front of.
Wow.
I'll
And what do you have?
Car took off southbound Grand Traverse, white SUV. I got her ID. Can you move your arm?
Yeah.
How far you get driving?
Copy EMS the
What do
route.
you think, 20 yards?
25 yards.
64 and your description of the driver.
Yeah, a black male dreads wearing purple.
You cut up a little bit.
He had a damn gun on him. Tell him that. We're gonna go back and look at some. It's a rental. It's a Massachusetts plate. It's like
Don't. That's where her address is. Hey, we'll be able to look him up and snap and get his shit for sure. He definitely had a gun on.
Oh, yeah,
I couldn't see it.
Clutching it.
Look, he kept
That's
holding
why I
it.
pulled my gun out. He's clutching it.
You thought your legs were gonna be sore from working out. You're
I went for like a $25.
No, you were when you let go. You're at that first drainage pipe, and you're landing in between those two.
I saw him. He turned it back on. And he was clutching.
I was about to hop in the
didn't
car.
want to get shot through his
I thought he was grabbing it. I was about to hop in the car and chase him, dude. All right, hey, let's kill the body cams. Look up his plate so he can get in the flock.
Hey, for my partners on it.
The Michigan State Police 3rd District fugitive team tracked down Dendy at a hotel just 3 days later.
Dragged him at Ellie?
Is this one?
The trooper was hospitalized with non-life-threatening injuries after the incident. Dominique Dendy was arraigned in Genesee County District Court on the following charges: assaulting, resisting, or obstructing a police officer causing injury. Third-degree fleeing or eluding a police officer. Dendy posted $10,000 bond after arraignment and was released from custody while awaiting a probable cause hearing in court. Share your thoughts below.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, man. You know, this shit like this is just completely ridiculous. And it's like you're caught. It is what it is. Like, it is what it is. You know, you got caught slipping, man. Right? But because you want to clutch and do all of that stuff and everything, and now the cops is getting nervous and like, well, because somebody's life is at jeopardy here, and it's like, wait, hold on. He's clutching, but he doesn't necessarily have to pull it out to shoot. He can aim with in his jacket. He can aim. So if he grabbing and aiming, he can shoot through his hoodie. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you putting a lot of lives. So you damn sure don't care about your girl. You don't care about her because you doing all of that. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah. All I can say is be careful of the company that you keep, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.